So when you are changing the discount rate, how the value of the bond changes. Please note that whatever we have the bond, okay, we are saying that in these bonds the valuation will depend on the cash flow, the discount rate and the time. Okay, if you change the discount rate, you will find that the bond value is changing, right? So if you change this discount rate, you will see that the value will change. So coupon rate is fixed, you cannot change the coupon. Cash flow you cannot change, face value you cannot change. Only the thing that you can change is the interest rate, okay, and the time remaining to maturity. The time remaining to maturity will change as time passes. Then what happens is, if the market rate change, right? So we have the cash flow divided by your 1 plus r to the power n, and then you are making the summation. So if your interest rate increases, your denominator is going to increase. As a result, your overall present value is going to decrease, right? So with the increase in interest rate, you find that the value decreases, right? So the price is inversely proportional to the interest rate. Okay, if the rate decreases, the price is going to increase, and if the rate increases, the price is going to decrease. So this graph, it is showing you a relationship. So here we have price and here we have interest rate. So what we say is, if the interest rate are going to increase, you see a decrease in the value. And note that this shape of the curve, this is a curve, and you may ask that why it is not like this, or why it is not like this. Okay, please note that this curve is called as positive convexity curve. This is positive convexity curve, and in this curve, if you see that when the interest rate decreases, okay, the rate of change is at a faster pace as compared to when the interest rate increases. Just compare, you are at 10 and from 10 to 12 you have gone, right? So the price change is not much. And then we are saying that when the price is changing by 2%, you find that this change is much higher, right? So what we see is the percentage change or the change in the value is much more, okay, when the interest rate is decreasing as compared to it is increasing. And this cannot be the straight line because all these are in the denominator, so it is not a straight line, it's a curve. Now the choice is between this and this, okay. So the bond exhibit this behavior.